AVID class, the tutorial groups are based on
ability level, and I try to make the group sizes no bigger than 7 to a group.
Each student gets to come up with their own question. They bring it from their math, English, science, history classes with things that they are struggling with. It could be over a new unit, a concept that they just learned. It may be a question that came from a test or a review. It could be a question that came from their notes or maybe homework. In the AVID class, we refer to it as a tutorial request form, or TRF. The front side of the tutorial request form, students complete prior to coming to class with their questions that they need further understanding of. It has the academic vocabulary that they already know about this question. It has bits of information that they already know about their question, steps and processes that they already know about the question they are bringing. On the back side of that form, they fill out after our tutorials happen, and it is a reflection piece where they write down what they gained from tutorials and what do they now understand from their point of confusion and how the tutorials help them. The students at the table with the tutorial groups are called group members. While the student presenter is up at the board presenting his question with his point of confusion, the group members are taking notes over his questions. We call them 3-column notes, where they put their the student's problem in one column, the student's working out the problem, and the steps to that problem. So they're taking notes over each student's problem that is presented at the board. Then, in addition to taking notes, they are to ask questions to the student presenter to help prompt them for better understanding of their problem. So they must pretend to be a teacher and ask questions that would help them to know what's the next step and what to do. Instead of giving them the answer or telling them how to do it, they must form it into a question.
So why did you think G was wrong, the one with heavy?
At the end of each tutorial day, which for us is twice a week, we take the last 5 minutes for the group members in each group to read their reflections out loud to their tutorial group to explain what it is that they learned and had a better understanding of.